Alright, here we have my mailbox, which is open. So you can see the thickness. There's thickness to the door. Most people, especially, and notice how the end towards me is a lot thicker than and it gets a little thinner as it goes back. Things like that tell you, of the shape that you're actually seeing in the 3D shape. And look at number 13, number 1 and number 5. The top of it, the lines are very, very thick inside box as compared to the bottom, the top. And then as you go down, it changes. Depending on your eye level, wherever you're looking directly at something, you're going to have the thinnest lines. And then something that protrudes. And then as you look up, the lines at the top get thicker. As you look down, the lines at the bottom get thicker. The same holds true over here. As they get away from you, they get thicker. They don't really look that much thicker, but the side of the entire thing that's closer to me, obviously, does not have those thick lines that the other side towards the middle have. And now, obviously, you can see that the keyholes, those things have some thickness, and then you can see that separation between the key part that turns and the outer part. But if you look carefully, even at this distance, you can see that the stickers have thickness. I mean, you gotta look real careful, and I can't stand much more still. But especially if you look at number 2. Number 2 is the most obvious. You can see the thickness of the sticker because that side has a thicker line. Little things like that are what bring your art to life, and you will not see them unless you go out and you observe life as it is. These are the things that give you, here you go, especially this way. These are the things that give you actual experience. A lot of people talk about, oh, they're experienced. You can't experience anything unless you go out and actually, live with it. And it's experience that's going to make your art good. Study, of course, book study. Yes, that can help you get better, but it's going to be very slow. Life is going to teach you the fastest, but, reading books from people who are in the know, they'll tell you how to teach yourself to observe properly. It's not just looking at things, it's observing. Later in the next video, we're going to start doing some studies, and you're going to learn the difference between just doing studies and sketching from life, because they are not the same thing. So, yeah, pause the video now. Draw mailbox. Try to pick a nice, clear one where I'm not moving around. But yeah, draw mailbox now.